Hello, welcome to another Music Monday, episode 12. You will notice a slightly different format because there is no long introduction. We're just going to get straight to the point. This was a comment that I had from a few people, and I just wanted to talk you through. If you're new here, this will be interesting because you'll find out what the channel's about. If you were expecting a full-on introduction because you've seen these episodes before, this is what is changing. So we'll have a look at the thumbnails, what to expect each day, and how you can help and get answers to your questions. So you might have noticed on the YouTube channel the thumbnails have changed. So I've decided to color code them. So real-time composing will be in red, for example, cue breakdowns in orange, how to play is in purple. And this is just to try and get a consistent feel for the channel. You will still see a preview of the video and what's coming up, and that's actually quite scary now because there's lots of me on the screen, including the one that's talking. So what is happening? Multicolored logo as well. You've probably worked this out. There's 7 categories, 7 days. Monday, this Music Monday is gonna, I thought I'd change it up a bit and get into a bit more music theory. There was some stuff I was covering on virtual reality. There's not a massive amount of content that I can bring at the moment as a regular thing, so I thought it would be nice to leave Music Monday a bit free for talking about things like the music business, virtual reality, licensing, libraries, royalties, technology, stuff like that that can't really be put into one of the other categories. Tuesday, Logic Pro quick tip. So this is Logic specific. Although you can apply the tips to other DAWs, I specifically use Logic, so that is what I'm going to focus on and the things that I find most helpful in day-to-day composing. So we'll talk about things like plugins and settings, even errors, mixing, mastering, stuff like that. On to Wednesday. This is going to apply to any DAW. So these are composing tricks or hints about using melody and harmony, different instrument combinations, and looking at a range of different genres. At the moment, it's been very much focused on hybrid orchestral, which is one of my favourite genres to compose in, but we'll try and spread that out a bit as well. So that's Wednesdays. Thursdays, these behind the scenes ones have proved quite popular because I don't script anything or plan anything. Well, I haven't even scripted this, but it's when I try to do some experiments about what I am thinking. It's a bit more relaxed, a bit more time. I'm not going to edit it down too much, but we take time to look at maybe doing some sampling, and it's more than likely that behind the scenes playing around and experimentation will more than likely turn up in a quick tip on a Tuesday. Friday, well, we're all ready for the weekend by Friday, so just for a bit of fun, I will continue going through songs that I play in bands or have played in bands. I don't want to make them overly long, and it definitely isn't a piano tutorial. It is just a hint. If you are a gigging keyboard player, or you just want to learn some songs to play for your family, that's the day for you. Saturday, this is where the long form content comes in that people have really been responding to well, because instead of just giving you hints and tips and things to do, this is actually me composing live real time to give you an idea of the amount of time maybe you should be spending on different aspects. And also it's a chance for you to copy what I'm doing in real time as well, because you won't be able to come up with exactly the same piece of music. And Sunday, we will do an analysis of a cue, as I have been doing. So different genres, we'll break down the different instruments that I use, how I mix them together, the master, the buses, everything to do with cues that I am currently or have had placed in libraries as well. So that is Monday to Sunday on the channel. Literally from top to bottom, these are the ways you can help. Subscribe is the biggest. Second, if you can like the videos that you like, that's really helpful, remembering to click on that. Please make a comment if you would like to on the video. At the moment, I am more than likely to respond directly to you. Do share with friends or colleagues or people who you think will find the content useful. Please give me your ideas on where you would like the channel to go, and ask questions. Finally, don't forget to subscribe. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye for now.